Good afternoon, everybody. This is Ivana from St. Cloud Knives, and I'm here today bringing you the Mantra 3 from Spyderco. Just wanted to do a quick video before somebody else comes in to show you this awesome knife. This is C233CFP Mantra 3. And as usual, we'll start at the beginning and we'll work our way down towards the handle. And maybe we'll come up with a couple of pros and cons. We'll see. To start with, overall, it is 7.25 inches long. The blade itself is 3.17 inches long. It looks kind of reddish here because I'm wearing a maroon shirt at the moment, but I'll pick it up in just a second. I'll show it to you. It is a flat ground, satin finish S30V steel blade with the usual Spidey hole. I'm going to pick this up now so we can see it. There. Now you can see the satin finish. Okay. We move on to the handle now. 4.17 inches long. Very ergonomic. And this is a carbon fiber G10 handle. So attractive, looks like carbon fiber but without the slickness, extra grippy. As I mentioned, it's very ergonomic in the hand. If we look at the back, you'll see the compression lock, and you'll also see the jimping here on the back of the blade. And we flip it over here for a second. You can see the deep carry wire clip. This is set up to be tip up. You can actually change the clip over to the other side. It's listed as being ambidextrous, and it can be if the lefties can get over this compression lock going this way, which for you it would go something like that. So that seems like it's doable. I'm going to demonstrate this in just a second. I think we've covered all the bases here. You got your lanyard hole there too for those of you who are into the lanyard thing. I like the fact that it's got an open back. If you get any dirt or crud in there, you can blow it in and out or wash it. Okay, I'm going to move this out of the way for a second. Okay, for those who are not familiar with the compression lock, all you have to do is push this over and it's going to fall straight down. Yep. So truly a one-handed operator, because look, it's also got a flipper on the back. How about that? If you have strong fingers, you can do it without any wrist. And I usually have stronger fingers than this, but I'm kind of at a weird angle too, but look at that. How easy is that? Okay, one more time with a compression lock, just falling down and flipping it out. There we go. Now some pros and cons. The pros, the S30V steel, always a winner for me. The flipper, the compression lock, the carbon fiber that makes it attractive and yet still really grippy and functional. The price, $155.99 here at St. Cloud Knives. Very reasonable. The weight is 2.9 ounces, which makes it very similar to what you've probably seen before as my normal everyday carry. This is my Benchmade 535 bug out. It started as the blue one, but then I modified the scales and the screws and the clip and that kind of thing. But this weighs about 2.5, 3 ounces now. But see, very similar in size, very similar in weight. So pros we talked about mostly already. Cons, I just got this knife. I don't see any cons. And that's unusual for me. And sadly, I really like this knife. Why is that sad? Because I may have to sleep on the couch. We'll see. If I come home with one more knife, I might be in a little trouble. I really like this Mantra. I am going to keep this as my EDC in rotation. I can't totally get rid of my bug out because I love it. But I'll tell you, this one is awesome. If you have any further questions on the Spyderco Mantra 3, you can always give me a call at 407-892-3343, Tuesday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can always email me, and that's 24 hours a day, at sales@stcloudknives. I'm going to have these up for sale potentially on my website at www.stcloudknives.com, but I may not do that immediately. Today is October 6th, so I'd wait a few days and we'll see what happens. But meanwhile, try one of these in the hand. Oh, I did think of one con, I have to say. This knife is 7.25 inches, as I mentioned. This may be too small for a lot of men. I have small hands for a woman. It's exceedingly comfortable for me. Some guys may find it a little small, may find it a little thin. I like that about it, but I would always recommend that you always put something in your hand before you purchase. That's anything, anytime, anywhere. So do what you will with that, but meanwhile, if you have any other questions, just feel free to shoot me an email or give me a call. Thanks for joining me today. I appreciate it.